How to add work experience to your Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add work experience to your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. And now click on those three lines up there. And click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down until you find profile information. Now you have the first option, which is add work experience. Click on it. And here you can write your workplace name and add your workplace and click on save if you are done. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.